Yes, children, perspective. Perspectiveனா ஒருத்தரோட பார்வைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இப்போ என்னோட பார்வையில் ஸ்கூல் ரீஓப்பன் பண்ணுறது ஓகே அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்லலாம். பட் இன் யோர் பேரண்ட்ஸ் பெர்ஸ்பெக்டிவ் நோ, only after Jan you should open. One of them may tell, or the other person may tell, oh, it's good that you open the school now, today itself, isn't it? So it changes from person to person view. Flowers, if I show you one flower and tell this is the most beautiful flower in the world, you may say no, I don't like this color. It changes. That is a viewpoint. So see here in the picture, for this person it is 6 and the other person it is 9. So in his point of view it is different. Each one looks at the world from a different perspective. Okay, va? So each of us are able to see different things in a same picture. If you see this picture, you can see a duck. Some can see a duck. The other way, if you see, it's a rabbit. Rabbit oda face. This is true for speakers of the poem as well. Speaker, okay va? Who is a speaker in the poem? The perspective changes the way they look at the subject of the poem. Subject of the poem is about what the poem is talking about. So for some the speaker may change. Before understanding more about the perspective of the speaker in the poem, let us understand who a speaker in the poem is. That we are going to see. See, lines from the poem. I will stand aside and watch him pass. What is the meaning? The speaker will not run away on seeing the garden snake. So what is your view? What will you do if a garden snake that is different? How does it shape the speaker's view about garden snakes? So about garden snakes, his view, he is standing. According to him, he will stand aside, he will not do anything. Speaker's perspective using the poem Garden Snake, we are going, their perspective is the way they look at the subject of their poem. Okay, so this is perspective. The speaker think about garden snake is, it is harmless because of his mother's words. How does it shape the speaker's view about garden snake? The speaker believes that it is okay to watch a garden snake pass by instead of running away. Seriya? The way we see or think about it is there in your book Concept Time. Something is called perspective. It shapes our thoughts and things or people around us. Okay, so the camel poem is given. The speaker of the poem is a one who narrates the poem. The speaker can be different from the poet of the poem. Poetum speakerum same kadayadu. See, poet வந்து name will be mentioned in the bottom of the poem. அது கொடுத்துருக்கோம் புக்கில். ஸ்பீக்கர்னா யாரோட வியூவில் அது எழுதியிருக்காங்க. கேமல் போயமில் அது யூ ரைட் ஆன் மீ அப்படின்னா யார் அது ஸ்பீக்கரு? கேமல். Who is saying all this? That is the speaker. What picture comes to your mind? That is the speaker. What does the speaker think about garden snake? That is no mistake. So like writing a poem also, or writing an essay or something like that, writing an essay. Same thing, writing a poem also, you have ideating, drafting, enhancing, editing, publishing, all these things. For that, first you should know the rhyme scheme of a poem, what rhymes structure of the poem, and then you have to use word web like this. Some words should be used. You have to connect these words and convert these words into poem. Then if you have a structure, you have to follow the same structure. Copycat poem nu onu kuduthirukanga lead la, that is ஒரு structure, ஒரு rhyme scheme will be there, one poem will be there. Same poem, you should not copy the poem, but same pattern use பண்ணிட்டு new poem you have to create. So in a poem, these three things you should see: number of lines and stanza. How many lines are there? That is a question. Okay, in lead question paper that will come. One poem will be given, you should be able to answer how many lines are there. That is very easy. How many paragraphs? Stanza. 2 stanza, 3 stanza, like that. 2-3 lines joined together is a stanza. The rhyme scheme and the subject of the poem. You should be able to tell what is the number of lines and stanza, rhyme scheme and subject of the poem. Okay. So adverbs changing into adjective is also important. Easily, easy, ordinarily, ordinary, removing that ILY and add Y. Rule 2 says that LY remove and add the same word as it is. Just remove cleverly, clever boy, adjective. He did the job cleverly. That is adverb. Easily, easy, ILY remove பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So these are the things given in your book, how to convert, and some words are given to convert. We have already seen the difference between adjectives and adverbs. The students are silent as they stand. How are the students? Silent. So student describe பண்றது silent. So silent என்னது adjective. The students are standing silently. இது ஒன்று கவனிச்சாலே போதும் நீங்கள் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. Standing silently. Standing எப்படி ஸ்டாண்டிங்கு? Silently. So standing வந்து verb, silently adverb. So that is the difference. Silent, silently, adjective, adverb. In a sentence you can understand better. Some words are irregular verbs, adverbs. So அது change பண்ணும்போது word itself is change. Hard, hard, worse, bad. Like that. Few words are there. Here they are given rule ly and rule ly, remove and add e. Terribly, terrible. Okay. Modifying the verb. Late, arrived late. Okay. So modifying the verb arrived here. And to is modifying the adverb late. Late modify பண்ணுறது to. Regular and irregular adverbs. Okay, so adverb is a part of speech that modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. See here, the black cat. So black வந்து it is not adverb. It is describing the noun. So it is not, black is not an adverb. It modifies the noun. Scratched as fiercely. Scratched is the verb, fiercely is the adverb. So black என்னது? Adjective. Adverbs in the following manner identifies the adverbs: extremely, fluently, very, daily, well. These are all adverbs. Part of speech that describes a verb or an adjective. Ranjan is a quick reader. Quick reader. Reader describe, noun describe பண்றது adjective, quick. Ranjan reads quickly. Quickly is the describing the action, reads, verb. So it is quickly is the adverb. So regular and irregular, just practice this. I'll send it to you. Okay, so how often when these answers are work is done is adverb. Thank you, children.